Bona ngaitole.
This is our gift shop. And we use it as a holding area. Okay. Some of these pieces before they either get bought or they are taken to their specific rooms.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's what we call a gift shop, and it's majorly soapstone.
Oh, soapstone.
A few artifacts.
Yeah.
So I know Jama Litimondrali. Emoti. Moti ne area kukachuro kole.
Oh, yeah, kukachuro
traditional straw. Yeah.
No go endo imendoje.
Kena gigoro. This was the door you move. Kige.
Mau. Kige. Abo.
Yeah, so these pieces are just being held here, but the rest are in their rooms.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe they are waiting to be polished, or others have been bought. I think a few of them, like that one, has been bought. It's waiting for the guy to come and pick it up.
Okay.
I told you earlier, we normally do cultural pieces. Hii piece yako kwa mangana yo mugusi. Shubune lione ntangani area. Elino Monchari. Monchari is one of our 6 clans.
Monchari.
Story how they ran away from Luo Nyanza. Takabaga go settle down Monchari.
Okay.
One of those are just Monchari. Monchari was the matron.
Okay.
Monchari na rangi na Wanchari.
Oh, yeah.
I wrote the 2 boys are back and behind.
Yeah. Wale ndingi
ile megongo ya Nchari. Nchari is the hippo.
Hippopotamus.
Wagatambuka river Nyando. Ale komihu banya baitira isa by mistake. Bagachalenda ko settle kusi.
Oh.
So that story, there are 2 of them. We normally do 2. We auction another. That is already bought.
Oh.
That one will go to one of the rooms.
Oh,
so
okay.
That story is also tabulated there.
Yeah.
Walikuwa mboli otenya na royo. You have also done 2 pieces.
Oh.
You can see that. You see is bigger than the others.
Neli mondo. No, not cut.
Oh, not cut.
Yeah, no, not cut. Not cut. You otenya no ara. Otenya is here. Neke.
Neke to vegetabu tu. Neke. So these are holding area. Oyo no mugirango.
Ono mugirango.
Story mugirango nero. Etote myong mugirango kimanyerero ke mugirango ne nengo. Ile mogoroke echui.
Echui nengo.
Nengo neresh. Abana bae kanya bagure ngoro ime. Mugirango akanyakonya ko kubarusio. Akiyo wamatebuwe mugirango no nengo no bwachakirta.
Kai.
Wono mugiranga asigetengo kabisa. Togonyeita nani.
Togonyeita Oyura mugirango.
Nje wono nengo.
Enenjo.
Akiyoko iwe sora gwe togeri ngeru nechu. As the genesis.
Osoro nyagwika.
Osoro kamzi.
Mudia charu mugirango mtu bya umefika korwa.
Nenda yencho. This is where you belong now.
Anonka. Iko njengo Tanzania ncho kumtige.
Yencho actually it means ugetut no. Every clan nebwate representation of ugetut. Waenda ugetut ukonya romo girango. Ikonya romo Monchari, ikonya romo Machoge. It holds a lot of people. Mango maitenoire.
Emanga nebo
getutu. Iri kisegichi akarenge kare. Abantu no baye kwenda
bisa.
Baenda bisa. In the event garo bisira ari wono. That interaction yapen abande batigara. Abande banyara abantu.
Anabage.
Njo banyara wono mu getutu.
No monene.
No monene.
No monene.
Era gwatikiro mono.
Enda yencho.
Enda yencho. So you see it has 2 pieces. Also, it has a long story about it,
which is captured
in also in one of the rooms and in the talks.
So abantu umugusi utete kumanya mangana mone ulivinte acha seche talks.
Acha talks na wakanyora wana mangana ya kabisa.
I'll be there at the talks so that you make it now clear.
Ine vitega.
Evitega vitu
binyamato. Yona chenge chisuguri cyo mugusi.
Chikuye
kaka. Na rosari ndagera. Chubando nikia.
Chingeni.
Enyangonera ali. Inara yange fridge yo mugusi.
Sasa kabikira babo meto na kabikira mache. Akende teke.
Makendo kabisa.
Ine kwanyu amayama rabuche.
Nyongo nere gali ere over 70 years. Ache wono tonyibisute kona hii. Nere nyongo yo mugusi original.
One of the most prestigious one. 70 years.
Teri decorated, ere smooth.
Una yale.
And yale go to make only for very special functions. very special functions.
Amaru akabigirun.
Amaru are for very special events. Ekoro kunga enseka. Enseka. So
to wele gake.
Omuga ko mwenye no toete matuko make goturanye beka.
Na chaire.
Na baraza kunyira gose to munyero cell protection tumubekera keranye tageto chunyoi. Nyira.
Endo nyira.
So ene nyongo yo mugusi original.
Is it heavy?
It is no. Ega nyongo ya mugusi ya what decorations.
Now you are in the plain. It's what decorations ni chara.
It's borrowed from Luo Nyanza.
Okay.
One nyonge it is this cannot be sold.
It's just one. 70 years.
Oligi kusina mora asako yane yo ketigalete.
Ejinde ji one ya banero. Ya bateyo.
Yeah.
Wow. 70 years. Ebekirire ngata.
No, vego ikebekirire ngata nero. Na nere support system ya. No rochine ebi teni binde mbira. Amagorabe.
Ebimbiri bye emete.
Ikeiga kerense.
Eke karasiri gatengira. Yeah, sure.
Uruno ruperu abande bakoro gale.
Ke korwe.
Ikao ngekia musi ikio so arts modern weaving.
Modern weaving. Ngekia musi
nege kabisa.
Eke.
Grandi.
Work. Amazing. Ikoga omuntu kaniti nabago chagole.
Wana gukugora if you want a souvenir to what some few decorative pieces. Those love hearts.
Kwera wega nyombe.
You can see them.
Nanjo ningania nchogu. Kindomo gitu.
Bona ya ni kwaro gitu go iko bunanjo no ende mwane senga gachete go ikonyore.
Engo
nero. Keke. I want to take what wale nchogu liyo. Na kawaga kebuna kashi.
Ikakabo.
Okay, wale nchogu konya.
Na wate nchogu yibono. Na wate nchogu yibono isi achiete.
Agaria. Komoro kitore. Ntubwate bitabu aria.
Ya focus here. Ebitabu mbira.
Ntubwate bitabu gaiga. Ebyo mugusi.
Ya kale muntu abagocha so.
Ndi kireke gusi and most of our authors naba gusi. Ro chune njengeria. This is a Kisii dictionary.
Kisii dictionary. Na njengeria ne dictionary.
Dictionary.
Kai ngata bazi baka manye njengeria na wekuruku. Ayi. Hati angora ali ete ali moga. Everyone ni weapons. Ebisaku. Everyone. Nene weapons. Ebisaku. Ebisaku ne ebisaku ne ekabira. Okay. Ebisara. Ebisambeba. So
nice.
Even the bimgon more.
Yeah, these are being sold. All of them go on the
Okay.
Binde mbira bibata mariogo yoke gusi. These are written by our local our people haba gusi bali gete babo bino nyambane they are the authors of these books.
Bona ikere gendo.
Ona ikike wata mariogo ali ke gusi ne mezo chibisha no chira. Every tree what it heals. Uchumugaka.
Omugaka.
Omogono. Munyankole.
Okay.
Munyankole is what used to make that straw. Omoko. And then what the others the narratives. Chirichi mangana aliyo magukura gote.
Okangombe, okanyangao, ogakonda.
This is done by Christopher Okemwa is a don in Kisii University.
Sure.
One of those short stories. Yaka that mwana manyike gusi.
Bas.
Gochogole kitabu anya gosoma igoro ya
Ikegusi.
Okangombe no gancho.
This story ngora.
We also have translations. We have a very interesting author here Korokunga Obuchi, Kenny Obuchi. She's a doctor.
Marando.
She translates other writers. One kigane kitabu kiali gitu na Chinua Achebe. Things fall apart.
Translate.
Translate wana kireke gusi. Nge binto bisekererani. Bisevererekani.
Binto bisevererekani. Mkiyo mungolo ya mwere ko wake upside down, upside up.
Wana if you read you understand why.
Dictionary nera. Make arrangements mo chega half.
Poetry nera yake gusi. Oro poetry.
Oro poetry.
All those songs yaba gusi mo agateri.
ebintu ni sana nemo
Chinsani
chinsani nena nemo bamintu chinsani sana nemo jambo robira esabari ya suguta ngate na tarire.
So if you come to those
oyo nkeke na robira oyo voice ebingoni gumire.
Oh, these are on sale.
How far is it Humphrey from the main road?
It is 500 meters.
500
it's
meters.
Half a kilometer from the tarmac.
You go
from the town.
You can walk here. You can walk here
Yeah.
and get these books.
Yeah.
And get these books. Wow, it's amazing.
So another thing I want to say about the books, Chitoki Chitogotwara every month. We try also to document those stories, and very soon we'll start generating monthly books. More books featuring on the specific topic.
Okay.
So that we try as much as possible. Chisa imichirende chimo kusinchisira.
Kabisa. Kabisa. Bueno, yeah. This is amazing. Twende room.
Okay, we can pick one of the rooms.
Upstairs.